Okay, this is the dish rack that I was showing you from the 7.2 or 7.5 liter Costway dishwasher that I was showing you this morning. So these are all washed now, so you can see all the assortment of forks and spoons and knives, cutlery that can go in to the rack. There are 6 cereal bowls in here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've jammed in 3 bread and butter blades. Normally you put in 2. I have 2 smaller plates, so they measure. I've got one sitting over here. The smaller ones are looking around 8.5 inch, and then you can put in 3 full-size plates. Full-sized would be about 10.25 inches. So 3 big plates and then 2 smaller plates, 3 bread and butters, and 6 cereal bowls, and a whole bunch of cutlery.